My name is Ravi, and I want to tell you a story about a boy who changed my life. His name is Eamon, and he is younger than me. I am 18 years old, and Eamon is only 12. But what he taught me will stay with me forever. Eamon lives in my neighborhood. He is small, cheerful, and always running around, with a big smile on his face. Every morning, I saw him delivering newspapers to houses in our area. He carried a heavy bag, but he never complained. I thought to myself, why does such a young boy have to work so hard? One day, I decided to talk to Eamon. I asked, why do you deliver newspapers so early? In the morning, shouldn't you be sleeping or playing with your friends? Eamon smiled and said, I deliver newspapers before school. My family doesn't have much money, so I help them by earning a little. I was surprised. At 12 years old, Eamon was already working to support his family. I felt embarrassed because I never thought about helping my own family. I spent most of my time playing video games or chatting with my friends. Curious, I asked him, how do you manage school and work? Eamon replied, I wake up early to deliver newspapers. After that, I go to school. In the evening, I study and help my mother with chores. It's difficult, but I want to become a doctor one day. I know I have to work hard to make my dream come true. His words shocked me. Here was a boy, younger than me, working so hard and still dreaming big. I realized how lazy I had been. I always complained about small things, like studying for exams or helping my parents. But Eamon faced bigger challenges and never gave up. One evening, I saw Eamon sitting under a streetlight, studying. I walked over to him and asked, why are you studying here? Eamon said, we don't have electricity at home right now. I have an exam tomorrow, so I can't waste time. His determination inspired me deeply. From that day, I decided to change. I started helping my parents with household chores and focused more on my studies. Whenever I felt lazy, I thought of Eamon and his hard work. If a 12-year-old boy could do so much, why couldn't I? One day, I saw Eamon sharing his lunch with a street dog. I asked him, why do you share your food? Don't you feel hungry? Eamon smiled and said, the dog is hungry too. Sharing makes us both happy. His kindness amazed me. Over time, Eamon and I became good friends. He told me about his struggles and dreams. I started helping him with his studies whenever I could. In return, Eamon taught me the value of hard work, kindness, and determination. Years passed, and Eamon continued to work hard. He finished school with excellent grades and earned a scholarship to study medicine. Everyone in the neighborhood celebrated his success. Eamon proved that no matter how young or small you are, with hard work and a big heart, you can achieve great things. As Eamon continued his journey, he faced even more challenges, but he never let them stop him. During his first year in college, his father fell seriously ill. Eamon had to manage his studies, his part-time job, and care for his father all at the same time. When I met him during this period, I asked Eamon, how do you manage so much? Aren't you tired? He smiled, as always, and said, I am tired, but I can't stop. My father always supported me when I was young. Now it's my turn to take care of him, and I know that hard times don't last forever. His words struck me deeply. I thought about how I would complain about simple things like not getting enough time to relax, while Eamon was juggling so many responsibilities with a positive attitude. One day, Eamon shared something with me that I'll never forget. You know, Ravi, saw it. I don't see my struggles as a burden. I see them as a ladder to success. Each challenge teaches me something new, and it makes me stronger. Hearing this from someone younger than me made me realize how much I had yet To learn about life, Eamon had taught me to view difficulties as opportunities to grow. As the years went by, Eamon's kindness and hard work began to change not just his life, but the lives of others around him. He started volunteering at a local orphanage, teaching the children there every weekend. "Why do you spend your free time here?" I asked him once. He replied, "These kids don't have what I had, parents to support them, even when times were tough. If I can share even a little of my knowledge and hope with them, it's worth it." Eamon's selflessness inspired many in our community. People began to admire his dedication and determination. He became a role model for children and adults alike. One day, Eamon gave a small speech at a community event. He said something that stayed with me forever. "Don't wait for the perfect time to start working towards your goals. Start now, with whatever you have. Every small step you take will bring you closer to your dreams." This reminded me of how far Eamon had come, despite all his challenges. From delivering newspapers to studying under a streetlight, he had never stopped moving forward. Eventually, Eamon graduated as a doctor and returned to our town to open a small clinic. He didn't forget his roots. He made his services affordable for the poor and often treated people for free if they couldn't pay. The farmers, laborers, and even the street vendors all loved and respected him. One day, I visited Eamon at his clinic. It was filled with patients, but he was calm and cheerful as always. "Eamon," I said, "you've achieved so much. How does it feel?" He smiled and said, "Ravi, this is just the beginning. I want to do more. I want to build a hospital one day where everyone can get treatment, no matter how rich or poor they are." Hearing his words, I realized that Eamon's dreams were always bigger than himself. He wasn't just working for his own success but for the well-being of others. Even today, I look up to Eamon. Though he is younger than me, he taught me that age doesn't matter when it comes to determination and kindness. His story inspires me to work harder and be a better person every day. Eamon's story continues to inspire me every day. Though he is younger than me, he has taught me the most important lessons in life. Never give up, work hard, be kind, and always dream big. Eamon's journey proves that age doesn't define wisdom or greatness. It's the determination and kindness in your heart that truly matter.